It's me, Ain. So thank you so much to those who have watched my previous video. So it has been like 2 to 3 months since I last did the mood board and whole planning for my room, and ever since that I've been working on the execution to actually make the plans into reality. And as you can see, my room is finished and I'm super happy with it. I'm super proud of myself for pulling this off, and I really hope you guys would enjoy the room as much as I do, because I love it so much. I can't stop staring at it. I know that's crazy, but yes, I love it. I really love the room, and I hope you love it too, because I put so much hard work, I spent so much time, I spent so much money for this room. So without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me. Flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me. Flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me. Send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me. Send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away. Ever since the day that you went away. Sending, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away. You've been sending flowers to me. Flowers today.
So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this room tour, because I definitely enjoyed every second of it. And I really hope this could inspire you guys to start redecorating your room, because it's so fun, it's so worth it, and you'll be super proud of yourself if you manage to pull it off in the end. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!